Weather situation, the winter weather situation here in central Indiana. We're not going to get that much snow, right, Linz?
No, but we're actually looking at 1 to 3 inches, so it is going to be shovelable.
Oh, that's true.
Is that right?
Yeah,
I said that slow, so I made sure I didn't get tongue-tied.
Shovelable.
You can do whatever you want. You're the meteorologist.
Rolls off the tongue.
Exactly.
Shovelable.
I'll probably get some practice this winter. This is the first time we've had to say that word so far this winter. Here's Guardian radar out the door. We already are seeing some snow and some ice, and that is going to accumulate south of I-70. That's where the heaviest snow and precipitation is coming down right now. Just a few flurries along the I-70 corridor. So what you're seeing in Indy and Muncie and Newcastle, not accumulating yet. It's very light, but it's much heavier down to the south. Bloomington, Nashville, Columbus. This is mixing with some freezing rain as indicated by the pink shades here. Again, temperatures are below freezing, so we are going to see an icy mixture of snow and freezing rain out on the roadways south of I-70. That's going to start filling in north as we move throughout the morning. And then the heaviest snow arrives along the I-70 corridor between 8 and noon, and that's when we can expect some accumulation in the Indy metro. Here's an hour-by-hour look at the forecast today. Right now, we're seeing accumulation south of the I-70 corridor. By 8 a.m., that starts to make it up to I-70 and in the Indy metro. Here's 9 o'clock this morning. Then by 10, it works north of I-70, so Lafayette, Peru, and Muncie getting in on some of that snow as well. Continuing through the lunch hour, this is noon, widespread across the area, and then between noon and 3, that starts to taper off, and we will start to clear out as we head into tonight. But even the evening drive will likely be slick across the area. Our highest snow totals through the lunch hour will fall along the I-70 corridor up to about Lafayette and Muncie, and further down to the south into Columbus and Bloomington. You are all in that 1 to 3 inch bullseye. Outside of those areas further north and south, looking at about an inch of snowfall through the lunch hour today. 28 in Zionsville, 29 in Indy, so these temperatures all below freezing at the present time. So this is going to stick, and we'll see a high that remains below freezing today in the Indy metro. Get ready for the really cold air. Where you see the white and purple, that's Arctic air, and it's going to be moving into central Indiana by this time tomorrow. Expect wind chills to be near 0 in Lafayette and Kokomo, and by tomorrow night, wind chills will start to dip below 0, and we'll get even colder than that. Heading into Thursday morning, we'll likely have wind chill advisories posted for central Indiana, and that's going to be the coldest day of the week by far. Wind chills at times down to -15. We're talking dangerously cold later this week. Active weather today, very cold Wednesday, Thursday, despite the sunshine, and then our weather becoming more active again for the weekend. We're looking at few snow showers Friday night, a rain-snow mix on Saturday, and more cold air at the start of next week. Bill?
6:17 right now, and as we do, we look along the interstate.